Hey guys, welcome to WordPress Tips and Tricks. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a very simple footer for your website using Elementor Flexbox containers. Let's begin. First, let's go inside the Theme Builder option under the Templates dashboard. Here, let's click on the Add New button for footer. We are making custom footer, so let's close the template library. Now let's create a Flexbox container on the page and make it full width. Then insert another container in that, and then insert another one inside of the new one. Let's put 2 of them, and click on the second parent container, and select row direction. Also, make it full width. Now open the navigator so we can easily select the containers. Let's add another 2 containers inside the right container here. As we will be working with multiple items here, it should be done with multiple containers. Now make all of them full width. Then duplicate the second parent container and just remove the child containers from it. But you can see that the content area doesn't match the 2 main containers. There is a default padding working there. Just select all containers one at a time, and from the Advanced tab, add zeros in the padding fields. Now only select the main parent section container, and let's add some padding there. This way, the padding will work over the total content area. Now, let's shrink down the left container in the first row. We should remove any setting on the size option of the container and manually set the content width to maybe 30%. This creates more room for the footer content on the right side. Now let's drop an image widget on the left. This will be our logo. Forgot to change the background color of the container. Let's paint in black in color. Now here's our logo. Let's change its size from the Advanced tab using the Width option. Set it to Custom, changing the percentage value. Adding a text editor right below the logo to show the brand message. Notice that when working with multiple containers, you could easily misplace an element. So, from the navigator, drag and reposition the element. It will easily fit inside your target container space. Then just change the position of it. Now typing in our brand message. Then let's add our social media links right below it. You can use any social link widget to do this. Then do some simple customizations to the links. Let's also put a text editor below the links and add text to call visitors to join us. This part is done. Now on the right side, let's put a search bar at the top container. A footer search bar often proves helpful in case the visitors try to navigate to any specific part of your website. Now, changing the search bar width and alignment to put it at right the edge of the container. For the container below, let's add a text editor widget there. With text editor, we can easily insert custom navigation links for the site. Once done, click on the container and change the direction to row and apply a Justify Content option. Now you can simply duplicate the text editor and customize the links. After that, let's put 2 text editors at the bottom container. Here, the first one will be used to display copyright info, and the second one is for additional policy navigation links. When done customizing the texts and links, go to the container layout and select space between justification. It will place both text editors on each side of the container. All right, let's once again increase the padding of the primary parent container. Then publish the footer with the selected condition. Now, let's view the footer page real quick. Our footer is ready. Let's test it on tablets. Looks a bit cluttered as the font sizes look bigger. For mobile, it's almost okay, but the listed links align is messed up. Going back to our editor page. Let's open the tablet mode and start customizing the sizes of the logo, social links, and texts. we can change font sizes for all the texts here. That also includes the search bar and the bottom footer copyright info and navigation links. Now switch to mobile mode. First, let's change the alignment of the search bar, then shrink down the logo a bit. And for the list type navigation links, simply set the container Justify to start. Let's update the page and check it out. It seems the search bar container isn't in a full width setting, so let's change it from the editor page. Select the container and change the content width to full width. Once again, check all the containers if any of them are missing the full width setting. Then, a final retouch to the list type navigation container and updating the page. Now, your simple navigational footer is ready for all kinds of displays. That's the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow our channel to get more tips and tricks videos. See you soon.